Mangroves are a rare and highly endangered, spectacular, prolific ecosystem on the boundary between land and sea. This extraordinary ecosystem contribute to the well-being, food security and protection of coastal communities worldwide. They support a rich biodiversity and provide a valuable nursery habitat for fish and crustaceans. Mangroves also act as a form of natural coastal defense against storm surges, tsunamis, rising sea levels, and erosion. Their soils are highly effective carbon sinks, sequestering vast amounts of carbon. Yet, mangroves are disappearing 3 to 5 times faster than overall global forest losses, with serious ecological and socio-economic impacts. Current estimates indicate that mangrove coverage has been divided by two in the past 40 years. Mangroves are in great danger, and it has been estimated that more than three quarters of the world mangroves are under threat, along with the aquatic and terrestrial organisms that depend upon them. For this reason, UNESCO is acting to protect them and other valuable blue carbon ecosystem through its network of biosphere reserves, global geoparks and natural World Heritage sites. The World Mangrove Day will be celebrated in 2025 on July 26th, just like every other year. The day is officially recognized by the UNESCO as the International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem. This day aims to raise awareness about the importance of mangrove ecosystems and promote their sustainable management, conservation, and use. This year, the World Mangrove Day has a specific theme which highlights as protect wetlands for our future. Mangroves are at the heart of nature-based solution to accomplish this. Over 50 years, the global community has celebrated World's Wetlands Day in honor of the signing of the Convention of Wetlands, Ramsar Convention, at Ramsar in Iran on February 2nd, 1971. This year's theme has been to protect our wetlands for our future. But it is important to highlight that the World Mangrove Day that deals with this protection of wetland is intricately associated. Mangroves are a critical coastal wetland as they are among the most effective ecosystems for both carbon storage and sequestration. With growing interest in conservation and restoration of mangroves, it is important to understand the local context where the works of mangrove conservation takes place. This year's World Wetland Day marks 1 year publication anniversary of including local ecological knowledge in mangrove restoration and conservation. This guide has been designed to help mangrove researchers and practitioners, including local ecological knowledge in this project. The knowledge compounded over generations and held by local people in as an invaluable asset. It is important that we understand that mangroves constitute one of the most important coastal vegetation that is associated with the survival of the coastal ecosystems as well as the survival of the human or other people associated in those wetlands because they are very strongly associated with it. Mangroves represent a diverse group of salt-tolerant trees and shrub that thrives in coastal intertidal zones, specifically in tropical and subtropical regions. They are characterized by their unique adaptations to salty wet environments and their ability to protect shorelines from erosion and storms. These ecosystems are vital for biodiversity, coastal protection, and carbon sequestration. Mangroves grow in coastal areas where land and sea meet, typically in estuaries, lagoons, and sheltered bays. They have special adaptations to survive in salty water, including specialized root systems like the pneumatophores for gaseous exchange and salt excreting leaves. Mangrove acts as natural buffers against erosion, storm surges, and tsunamis. They provide critical habitat for a wide variety of fish, shellfish, and other marine life, serving as nurseries for many species. Mangrove soils are highly effective at storing carbon, making them important in mitigating climate changes. They filter pollutants and sediments from runoff, helping to maintain water clarity. Mangroves are facing significant threats from human activities, including deforestation for aquaculture, coastal development, and pollution. The Sundarban mangrove forest, located in the Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Meghna delta, at the crossroads of the three rivers stretching across the state of West Bengal in India and part of Bangladesh, is the largest mangrove ecosystem in the world. The islands in India have significant mangrove cover and also includes a great vegetation and unique biodiversity with rich flora and fauna that integrates as a specific rare ecosystem of the world. In India, coastal areas of states of West Bengal, Odisha, parts of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Goa, and Maharashtra shows mangrove vegetation, but the most spectacular vegetations happen in the state of West Bengal across the Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. It is therefore important to protect mangroves for the survival of the rich, unique biodiversity that they represent, and we need to work together on a common platform to protect mangroves around the world, and particularly in the highly vulnerable Sundarban regions, which many anthropogenic activities have resulted in drastic reduction in the number of mangroves over the time. Kalinga Chronicle is extremely grateful to Dr. Minal Kanti De, a researcher on Sundarban, for providing us with the pictures. Shagat Kumar Basu, Bureau Report, Kalinga Chronicle TV.